Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? A very happy Sunday to all of you. Today we will learn the use of a and an. यानी आ और एन का दुरुस्त इस्तेमाल. Never say a hour. Always say an hour. Because hour's H is silent, so it has a vowel sound in the beginning. All the letters begin with a vowel sound will be followed by an. And you have to keep it in mind. In the same way, never use an before uniform and university. The sound of U in these words is not the actual sound of U. So, these words are not followed by a vowel sound in the beginning. You will say a uniform and a university. Here are some words for you to practice. You will fill them with a or an. I will tell you at the end, and you can also do this on your copies. The first word is book, house, umbrella, island, honor, unique dress, car, hour, flower, and ice cream. Now let's solve it. A book and a house because both book and house were consonants. An umbrella because the sound of U is a vowel sound. An island, an hour. All these three sounds were vowel sounds, so we put an before them. A unique dress, a car, an hour, a flower, and an ice cream. I hope that you all got it. Thank you so much.